there. There is the actual drive shaft, and then this will be the body of the car. We will get it out of here someday. This is my 1938 SS Jag Drophead Coupe 3.5 liters. Nah, I wish. Like you saw just now, it's a little bit stored away. It's been there for years. There's a lot of work to get it to this condition. So thank you for watching the channel. Please watch to the end and subscribe. Click on the like button, lay your comments. Let's see where this goes. This is the famous engine. Yes, I know, I just want to take everything in. This is for the 1938 Jag SS convertible. They call it a Drophead 3.5 liter. There's a lot of yeah, I do see it's a bit of a clean. We'll see if we can still start it. We should be able to. 3.5 liter SS. We're going to clean up this engine and get it running. The chassis that we need to clean up would be this one, lining it up here behind everything. Back here we see the gearbox. That needs to be placed on that engine and then on the chassis. We've got some tires for it. The grills are up there. The roof, the windows and the dash wood panels are there. We've got the seats. Some more seats, you can't see it yet. So these are all the spares I've been sorting out for the past couple of months. They are not all belonging to the SS. Some of them are XJ6 and other types of Jags. You might see a Lancia part in there as well. I apologize for that. If you see anything you like, if you need me to send more details on anything, also let me know. Oh, and thank you for all the sponsors I've received. We appreciate your input. It can only go a long way. light on it. It's a Jag engine. You see the Jag sign there, and it's 83. It's got 2 carbs. Still get this out. I think this is the sender unit here for the oil pressure. I'm going to use that for Land Rover to test something, but just fucking reach up in the ceiling. There's my tools. So thank you for watching, guys. It's been a blast. I'll post more videos shortly. Remember, please guys, subscribe. It helps. Click on the like button, and good night. See you soon.